entry just so happened I was in Bombay and I was doing my acting course there, and just the journal thing where I wanted to get into movies, and South was something that I actually never thought of. I thought, okay, I'm in Bombay, so I'm going to do movies in Bombay. But it just suddenly happened that, one coordinator came and she said, your photos have been selected by a Tamil producer and director, so they want to come and take audition. So that was the point when I gave my first audition for Kajal Kundain, and I got selected. And things changed after that. After that, I never went back to Bombay. I was just concentrating on learning it because I was new. I didn't know how the industry worked at all. So I did this acting course in Bombay from Roshan Taneja, and that's where I learned dancing and acting and everything. My first director in Tamil was Selva Raghavan, and great working with him. We did a lot of movies together after that also. I did 7G, I did Pudupete, and all were super duper hits. So yeah, it was a good combo and great. I mean, I think he's my guru. Basically, he's only taught me how to act, and the credit goes to him for what I am today. First hero was Dhanush in Tamil, and again very friendly and very helpful. Made sure that I'm comfortable with the language, everything. He used to explain sometimes like what the scene is like and everything. So it was great working with him. Yeah. First script that I heard was I think it was Kajal Kundain only. The first script that I ever heard, and it was great because it was a different script and different experience listening it for the first time. So yeah, that was my first script. In that movie, I played a girl called Divya, and she's again someone who's very strong. How she believes in friendship, and she believes in keeping her friendship neat and clean, not like mixing things or anything. But whereas this friend, the other friend, the role played by Dhanush, he falls in love with her. So how she feels cheated, how she feels that my friendship was she just feels cheated by her friend. So yeah, she very very delicate, strong at the same time. So something that I loved playing. Yes. First day of shooting was in Chennai when I came down, and night shoot it was, and that was the time when I was a little nervous because no language, nothing I knew at that point of time, and the whole evening night we were waiting, and that first shot when it came for me, ultimately some problem happened and we had to pack up and we couldn't shoot also. So that was the first day of shooting, but luckily I didn't get major any dialogues or anything. So the first shot that I gave was a close-up, a silent reaction. So that ways I think my director chose to take it slowly because the first day itself they didn't want to put the burden on my head. So I was lucky to have right people from the beginning. It's in Kajal Kundain. It's a scene where I come and I don't know if you remember, but I come and I lift Dhanush on my shoulder. So that was the first shot that I gave for my first movie. First song sequence was I think it was from Kajal Kundain, Tuttu Tuttu song it was, and that was my first song that I shot for. And in that song I actually dance only for like one bit. So yeah, that was the first dance sequence that I did. I think that Devade Kandain song that we shot, and that was shot in Vizag. So that was something that it was quite hot there. Vizag is a very hot place, and we were burning literally. And I used to think that what is this? Why are we shooting in this hot weather? Being it my first movie and everything. Ultimately, I think it's the thing that your hard work and everything, and ultimately that was the biggest hit. And now when I look back, I see that song. It really makes me feel good that something like that we did. So no, I've never dubbed so far. It's always been like by my dubbing artist. Yes. First time I cried. I think it was the scene again for Kajal Kundain only. Being it my first movie, so all the experiences that I had was in that one movie, and crying sequence was Must have been, I don't exactly remember which was the first shot that I gave with the glycerin on. But all over, I think I love doing crying scenes. I love putting glycerin. I feel that, it gives you a lot of, there's a lot of scope for you to show different kind of emotions when, Premiere actually should have been Karol Kondin, but then it never happened at that point of time. We didn't want to show the movie to anyone, just straight away to the theaters. So my first experience was to watch my movie first time was with the audience, and I still feel that experience is like, I can't even explain. It's amazing. You feel it's such a feel good thing when you come on screen and your audience is excited. So I make it a point that every movie of mine, every release of mine, I go first day, first show and watch it with the audience.